Hello everyone, I'm Martin from Project Alf, and today I would like to start our tour through the Project Alf application. In one of the previous videos, I have explained why we have decided to bring a brand new product management tool on the market. And long story short, the main reason is that there is a lot of things that we are missing in the current product management tools. But before we jump into the application itself, I would like to first show you what we call Alf Framework. Well, what is that? Well, first of all, when we started to implement a new application, we did one thing. We write down together all the things that were bugging us from all the product management tools that we used before, that we used in the past. And not only that we write it down all the bugging things, but we also write it down what we call Project Alf Framework, which is kind of a methodology and all the methodology parts that we like and that we would love to implement into the product management tool that we want to use. So without further ado, let's go into this. So when you first go into the any Project Alf page, we are currently running a closed alpha program, but in the future it will be all available on project-alf.com. When you go into this page, you'll have an option that is in this menu and it's called About Framework. When you go here, it will describe basically our view on the product management. What we consider important, what we consider all the very important parts that every product management tool should have. How are we understanding things like priority? Why is it important? In what cases it might not be important? What we consider good methodology for being able to set product maturity stages, capability stages, estimates, a confidence level, and so on and so on. Not only the theoretical methodology is written down here, but also there is a chapter which describes how we have decided to apply the certain methodology parts into the Project Alf itself. And there is one chapter that I would like to specifically highlight because that's a core of the Project Alf application. That is the key factors indicating a PM quality. What we have managed to write here is basically all the indicators that we consider very important in order to understand how your product management is doing, how healthy is your backlog, and so on and so on. So all of the things we will sooner or later, one after another, implement into the Project Alf. This is why we are currently having the closed alpha program to find out whether you guys like it, whether you guys agree with us. We want to be very transparent and these things will appear there very soon. So stay tuned. Thank you for your attention. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I will see you in a bit.